Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School welcomes you all for today's English 1 class. How are you all? Have you all started studying for your exams? Very good. You must be missing your friends, right? Because you all like to play with your friends, quarrel with them, and many of you may be missing wearing a uniform, blackboard, etc. Right? How many of you like sharing? Very few, right? Those who have smaller or elder brother or sister, they may know about sharing, quarreling and enjoying very well. Right? In our previous class, we learned about the helpful girl named Rima. Everyone likes her as she was very helpful. So we learned the moral value helpfulness. Today we are going to understand one more story of the little boy Raj from our lesson number 7, bicycle. And at the end you will tell me the moral value you learned from this story. So let's start. Raj is on the bicycle. Who was on the bicycle? Yes, right, Raj. Varad wants it. What did Varad want? Yes, Varad wants the bicycle. Varad pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. So what does Varad do? Yes, Varad pushes Raj from the bicycle and started riding it. How does Raj feel? So what do you all think? How Raj must have felt? Very bad, right? Sad, right? If your friend pushes you, how you will feel? Bad, right? How does Varad feel? So how Varad must have felt? Happy, right? Because he got the bicycle to ride. But was it right? No. Raj cries. As Raj was sad and upset, he started crying. He felt sad and angry. So he was sad, but he was also angry on Varad. What do you think will happen next? So if you get angry on anyone, you go to him and pushes him or beats him, right? It's your normal reaction. So Raj grabs the bicycle back. So Raj did the same thing. He went back to Varad and grabbed the bicycle back from him. Raj and Varad shout. So they both started quarreling, shouting as they both were angry. Sushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset, and Varad, you seem angry. So what happened? When they both were shouting on each other, their madam comes near them and asks, Raj, why are you looking upset? And Varad, why are you so angry? I want the bicycle, said Varad. So Varad replied to Sushma madam that he wants the bicycle. I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that, Raj said. So Raj explained that he was riding the bicycle. Varad pushed him and grabbed the bicycle. Raj and Varad both want the bicycle. What could they do? See, like you all, they are fighting for the bicycle. They both want to play the bicycle. So what should they do? Should they keep on fighting? No. So they both decided something to solve the problem. Varad, can I have the bicycle when I have finished my turn? I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it's your turn, okay? I will count. So they decided Bharat can take the bicycle after Raj's turn. They both will ride 3 times, turn by turn. So normally when you fight with your younger brother or sister or elder brother or sister, so same thing your mummy does, right? She also suggests the same thing. They have worked it out. So this formula worked for both of them. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it's Bharat's turn. So first Raj took 3 turns and now Bharat will take 3 turns. They both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? So Raj must be happy now. How is Bharat feeling now? Bharat also must be feeling happy. So to enjoy or be happy, we should learn sharing the things. Sharing will help us to make our life a great fun. So tell me some examples when you are happy or sad. When you get a chocolate, how you will feel? Yes, you will feel happy. When you share your things, how you will feel? Yes, you should feel happy. When you help your friend, how do you feel? Yes, you should feel happy. Very good. When you lose your pencil, how do you feel? You feel bad, right? Yes, if you lose anything, you feel bad, right? Or sad. Now we will read the lesson. Lesson number 7, bicycle. Raj is on the bicycle. Bharat wants it. Bharat pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. How does Raj feel? How does Bharat feel? Raj cries. He feels sad and angry. What do you think will happen next? Raj grabs the bicycle back. Raj and Bharat shout. Sushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset, and Bharat, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Bharat. I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that, said Raj. Raj and Bharat both want the bicycle. What could they do? Bharat can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it's your turn. Okay, I will count. They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it is Bharat's turn. They both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? How is Bharat feeling now? Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.